In column 1, some compounds are given in which two are oxyacids, one is an oxide and other one is an hydride. And we need to identify whether they are acidic or basic or oxidizing, and we need to match these compounds with the things present in column 2. So as it's mentioned here, oxidizing and reducing in nature, we need to understand a basic concept. Whenever the same compound exists in more than one different oxidation states, the one in which it exists in the highest oxidation state, definitely that will be acting as the oxidizing agent, and the one in which it exists as the lowest oxidation state, that particular compound acts as reducing agent. And the compound in which the same element exists in the intermediate oxidation state, definitely that acts as both oxidizing and reducing agent. Let's apply this one to identify the correct one for these four substances. First, ammonia. We know that in ammonia, nitrogen atom possesses one lone pair of electron which can be contributed. So definitely this is a Lewis base. So it is basic in nature. And this in ammonia, the nitrogen is in the lowest oxidation state, that is -3. So that is the reason why this is reducing in nature. So correct matching is both Q and S. Then for sulfuric acid, as this is a protonic acid, this is the one of the matching, acidic, and it is not a base. And in sulfuric acid, the sulfur is in +6 oxidation state, which is the highest for the element sulfur. So in its highest oxidation state, this compound definitely exhibits, as sulfur is in its highest oxidation state, this compound is oxidizing in nature. So correct matching is both P and R. Then for HNO3, this is also a protonic acid, and in this the oxidation state of nitrogen is +5, which is the highest for nitrogen in any compound. So definitely nitric acid is also oxidizing in nature. Whereas for sulfur dioxide, this is acidic oxide, because sulfur dioxide when dissolved in water, we get sulfurous acid. So sulfur dioxide is the anhydride of sulfurous acid. So this is also acidic in nature. Then here the oxidation number of sulfur is +4, which is in between that of the lowest -2 and the highest +6. Whenever an element is existing in intermediate oxidation state, definitely that particular compound acts as both oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent. You might have learned under the 16th group elements the oxidizing properties as well as reducing properties of sulfur dioxide. So the correct matching is like this. For A, it is Q as well as S. For B, it is P and R. For C, it is again P and R. For D, it is P, R and S.